Short read. Recipe for a fairy tale. You can use a recipe to make breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Can you use one to make a fairy tale too? Let's find out. Ingredients: prince, princess, dragon, castle, golden eggs, picnic basket. Directions: 1. First, let's do some mixing. 2. Take the castle and the dragon. 3. Add a prince, a princess, and a picnic basket. 4. Now, sprinkle in a little bit of silliness. 5. Stir them all together. What have you got? Read on to find out the story. Once upon a time, a dragon lived all alone in a castle. He never came out or opened the door. The villagers thought he was mean. One day, a brave prince and a daring princess decided to save their frightened kingdom from the dragon. They marched up to the castle door. The prince hollered, "Open this door, or I'll huff and puff and blow your house down." The dragon was very surprised. He peeked out a window and asked, "Really? What if I do open the door?" The princess held up a picnic basket. "Then we can have lunch," she said. The lonely dragon opened the door. He invited his new friends in for lunch. They all lived happily ever after. Be the chef. What would you mix up for a fairy tale?